Hello everyone, come back to solution series of a memory based question of CSIR-NET which held on 16 September. Come to question 7. Actually this is a part B question. The question is for alpha greater than equals to 0. A is defined as 1 power alpha plus 2 power alpha up to n power alpha upon n power alpha plus 1. And in this question we have to find out the limit of an as n tend to infinity. Actually these are memory based options. For this question an is equals to this. Now we arrange the terms such that an is equals to 1 upon n power alpha plus 1 as it is into summation on this series, summation of r power alpha where r goes to 1 to n. Now we arrange the term again, that is an is equals to 1 upon n summation of r upon n power alpha where r 1 to n. Now according to given question, limit, because we have to find out limit of an, not an, so limit of an as n tend to infinity is equals to limit n tend to infinity of 1 upon n summation of this where alpha is greater than equals to 0. This is very important point for this question. Now using sum of series technique in real analysis, that is 1 upon n equals to dx and r upon n equals to x, and this summation tends to integral, where for this integral lower limit and upper limit, that is a is equals to limit n tend to infinity of 1 upon n is fixed, this one is value of r is equals to 1 in this summation, and for upper limit, that is b is equals to upper limit of this integral is limit n tend to infinity, this n is fixed and this n come from r is equals to n of this series, that is n upon n tend to infinity is equals to 1. Now come to further explanation. N tend to infinity of an is equals to integral of 0 to 1 x power alpha dx. Now using standard integration, this is equals to x power alpha plus 1 upon alpha plus 1 and lower limit 0 and upper limit 1. When we operate this limit on this integral, we have 1 upon alpha plus 1 minus 0, that is 1 upon alpha plus 1. So answer of this question is 1 upon alpha plus 1. Now come to options. For this question, option A incorrect, option B incorrect, option C incorrect, and option D is correct.